Hello YouTube community and welcome back. Today we are gonna do it. We are gonna open probably the best set of 2022, Battle of Chaos. Oh yeah. I was really looking forward to this. What awesome cards we gonna pull here, I don't know. But the set itself looks already absolutely beautiful. Isn't that great? Right now we got a really cool monster on front of the display. And I hope we also get a lot of cool monsters out of the display. Not only on the display. So let's set this up correctly. Just like that. Alright, 24 packs. 9 cards per pack as we are used to have in the old days. 9 cards per pack. Okay, here we go. Silberwein Sindri. Nuvru Aries der Frühlingsdrache. Geistertrick Sirene. Freie Neue Welt und And SiCaTra Synode Enion Bige. Okay, long name. Glänzendes Pizzefilet, das ist die Petit Angel. Rauchmoskito, verrückter Hacker und größter Anteil. Pack Number 2. Geistertrick-Schuss, Unibimaru Seelenfeger. Okay, erfahrene braune Magie. Feuer Opalkopf, Pendulum-Monster. Alright. And, that looks nice. Dinomorphia Regina. Whatever. Ultra rare. Cool. Der große doppelbesetzte Zauberer, unüberlegte Einmischung, großer Tyrann des Donners and Dinomorphia Diplos. Probably this is a new archetype. The Dinomorphia. I have no clue. Back in my days when I played a lot, there was no archetype. Endstation. Wiedergeboren. Okay. Markierte Jünger, mechanische Monstrosität Darton. Diplomanten-Einmischung. Okay, this also seems to be a new archetype. Blumendino, okay. Dinomorphia Diplos, süßer Geistertrick oder Saurus. Okay. Unüberlegte Einmischung. These legendary dragon cards would be nice, or the cover card would be also pretty insane if we get this one. Ahornmädchen, Unibimaru Seelenfeger, Dinomorphia Alarm, Dinomorphia Panzer, and SiCaTra Aegirine. Alright. Ultra, yes. Puppenmonster Fräulein Mädchen, Rundfahrtsboot Submarine, Stamm ist einfach Simok Vogel der Perfektion. Okay. Mechanische Monstrosität Darton, Abwerbung, Neroid, der Traumspielverräter, Filzschuppen and S-Kraft Retroactive. And also sometimes retroactive. Geistertrick Festival, Rauchmoskito, Unfrieden der Schwertseele and Dinomorphia Schall. Here we go again. Uradora des Schicksals. Isn't this also an old card? No, it was Dora des Schicksals. A different card. Silberwein Sindri, Puppenmonster Bär, Freie Neue Welt and Libromant Magie-Mädchen. Alright, super rare. Dinomorphia Schall, Dinomorphia Grobian, Puppenglück, yes. And Rauch mosquito, the smoking mosquito. Usually mosquitoes do not like smoke. Look at this one, this is the evolution of the mosquitoes. Erfahrener Braunwaage, Geistertrick, Schuss, Epsilon, Magnetkläger, mechanische Monstrosität, Darton, and Liebermann Agent. Okay, we're getting all the Liebermann cards here. Größter Anteil, 8 Heizschlangenangriff. Oh, das ist für die Octoedic Octet, probably. Dann nochmal für Diplos, Sendput in der Zerstörung Venus. Cool. Yeah, there's a Sendput in der Schöpfung Venus. Yeah, it exists. That is already existent. And with Sendput in Venus, you could special summon these mystical spheres. I don't know what they was called exactly. Niroi, der Traumspielverräter, Dynamo für Panzer, Uradora des Schicksals, Blattersatz, Scholle, a Fisch, and a SiCaTra, Eisjade Cosmochlor. Cosmochlor? Give me the Cosmochlor. Okay. Geistertrick Festival, Dynamo für Schall, Puppenglück und größter Anteil. What does this guy do? I pulled this so much. Naja, okay. Won't consider it game changing. Anyway. Dimensionsbeschwörer. Cool. Looks really cool. Endstation, Blattersatz, Scholle, Agenda Miss Fish, Unibaro Seelenfeger und nordischer Schmied Ivaldi. That's Gimli vom Lord of the Rings. Süßer Geistertrick Orosaurus, Puppenmonster, Freunde Mädchen, Blumendino und großer Tyrann des Donners. Okay. Oh. Alright. Freie neue Welt, again. Ahornmädchen, Dynamo für Alarm, Feueropalkopf. Ein Soldat der finsteren Dimension. Looks like the DD are silent, the old DD cards, the good old DD cards from back in the day, as Synchro version. Dynamo für Diplos, 8 Schlangenangriff, Rundfahrtboot, Submarine und Puppenglück. Kaiser, der verborgene Stern. Okay. Markierter Jünger. Dimensionsbeschwörer. Looks cool. Felsschuppen. Ups. Ein Diktator der Drachen. Oh. That looks cool. Diktator der Drachen. Oh. Interesting. Evolution of the Lord of Dragons. Dogmatica Macabra, okay. Trank des Lächelns. So, maybe some alcohol. 8 Schlangenangriff, süßer Geistertrick Orosaurus. Trank des Lächelns. Smiley Potion. Erfahrene braune Magier, Felsschuppen, Puppenmonster, Bärbel, Kaiser der verbogene Stern und nordisches Ungeheuer Gullinbursti. Aha. What? Gullinbursti. Simurg, Vogel der Perfektion, Blumendino, der große doppelbesetzte Zauberer. 2 Non-Effect Monsters. Größter Anteil. Have to read through the card text later. What it can do. Markiertenjünger, Geistertrick, Sirene, Blattersatz, Scholle, Agenda Fisch, Dynamo für Alarm, Sonne und Mond. This looks also very nice. Ultra rare. Oh. So this is combination of Book of Moon and Book of Taiyu. That's cool. That's very cool. Puppmonster für ein Mädchen, dann nochmal für Grobian, Dogmatika Makaber, Geistertrick, Festival. Festival. Alright. Ein Mädchen, Uralura, das Schicksal, Silverbein, Sinde, Puppmonster, Bär, and Didi Greif. Sadly, Pendulum Monster. Stammeseife, Mutant, okay. The Smiley Potion, Alcohol again, Sandblut in der Zerstörung, Venus. Novru Aries, der Frühlingsdrache. Die Abwerbung, mechanische Monstrosität, Tarton, Eisjahre, Erosion, and Team. Oh, wonderful. Very wonderful. This is one of the cards I definitely want to pull. Timaeus, der vereinte Drache. This is a very nice one. Very cool one. Yep. That deserves a special place. Gruser Tyrann des Donners, Geistertrick Festival, S-Kraft, Lapsevel, and the smile. Again, some beer. Beer in Yugioh, or wine for the high society. No, just kidding. Geistertrick, Schuss, Endstation, Feuer, Bopalkopf, wiedergeboren, and Dark, der finstere Zauberer in Düster. Dark, Wizard of Darkness, no. Glänzendes Piscivile, Blumendino, Puppenmonster von einem Mädchen, der große doppelbesetzte Sau. Okay. I take it. So. Kaiser der verborgenen Stern, Novro Aries, der Verlustdrache, Feuer, Opalkopf, Eisjahr der Erosion, XY, XYZ Combination. For the XYZ Dragon Cannon Tank Thing, Flying, Thunder, Shooting, whatever thing. Rauchmoskito, Rundfahrtboot, Submarine, Dynamo Fish, unüberlegte Einmischung. Ja. Unüberlegte Einmischung is sometimes could go very wrong. Now Google, what unüberlegte Einmischung ist. Freie neue Welt, Feldsspinnen, Silberschwein, oh, Silberwein, sehen wir die, Dynamo für Alarm, and Eisjorde, again this one, Eisjorde, C-Note, Inion, Wiege, sounds like a complete different language. Unfrieden der Schwertseele, süßer Geistertrick oder Saris, Stammeseifer und großer Tyrann des Donners. This is probably, no, it's not. Forget it. I was about to say something stupid. As usual. As you would expect. From a crazy German. Anyway, Nero, der Traumspiegel, what? Verräter. Lackierter Jünger, die Abwehrung, Nojo Ares, der Frühlingsdrache, and Vampir-Fasziniererin. Some vampire support is here too. Alright, there's a lot in here. Mutants. Zentputten der Zerstörung Venus, Rauchmoskito und der große doppelt besetzte Zauberer. Okay. As long he's the doppelt besetzte Zauberer. And not something else. Oh Gott. Ein Mädchen. Uradora des Schicksals. Blatt ist schon schön. Der Fisch. Puppenmonster Bär and Libromant Firestarter. What does it say there? Keys Smack. Kidsmack. I don't know. Okay. This was a ritual monster. Just realized that. Dann nochmal für Grobian, unfriedene Schwertzelle, süßer Geistertrick-Rasauris und Stammeseifer. A lot of trap cards in this pack. So, die final four packs. Oder die final four packs. Epsilon Magnekrieger. Dann nochmal für Panzer, erfahrener brauner Magier, Endstation, ein dunkler Vertrag mit Patentlizenz. Okay. Okay, it's something with pendulum monsters, so no one cares. Alcohol, Petite Angel, the giant fish, and good restart time. Oh man, the staple of course. Ha. Last Free Packs, wiedergeboren. Geistertrick, Sirene, mechanische Monstrosität, Darton, Uradora des Schicksals and SiCaTra again, Dinomorphia Reich for the Dinomorphias, I guess. What a surprise. Alright, okay, something with fusion summon for paying a lot of life points and so on. Verrückter Hacker. Simok, Vogel der Perfektion, S-Kraft, Lab, Mutant. Ups. Endstation. Onibimaru, Seelenfähiger, Epsilon, Magiekrieger, Dimensionsbeschwörer and Magic Kuribu. Ha! That's the Kuribu with the Dark Magician style. That looks nice. That's a cool one. This also gets a special place. Dogmatica Macabre, Puppenblumenglück, Sempidum des Zerstörung Venus und Puppenmonster Fräulein Mädchen. And here goes the camera. Last pack from Battle of Chaos. Oops. Freie neue Welt again. What a surprise. Dinomorphia Panzer. The Traitor again. Geistertrick Sirene and Ultimative Fusion. Okay. Okay. This is actually pretty nice to summon the Dragon Master Knight. The Petite Angel, the Crazy Hacker, Dinomorphia Diplos, Dinomorphia Grobian. Okay. So here you have it. Battle of Chaos in all his might, force, power, whatever. Got one of our search cards actually. The beautiful Almighty Timaeus as effect card. Nice. Very nice. Overall, I like the set very much. Maybe I'm gonna open a second display. Really cool cards in here. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and as always, some of these cards will be for sale on Cardmarket. And I would say the usual words. I always say the same procedure as every time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.